All right, we're back with Gavin. He has decided to up the ante a little bit on the hot sauce. He, just a little bit ago, he took in about a teaspoon of Frank's Red Hot, which I think tips the scale at about 450 Scoville units. This time, he's going to go for Tabasco sauce. And I think the Tabasco is somewhere between, well, I can't get it to focus, but anyway, that's it. Somewhere between 2,500 and 5,000, so maybe 10 times what the Frank's Red Hot is. So tell us, Gavin, before you do this, what are you thinking? What's going through your mind?
I feel like it's going to be a lot hotter. I may end up regretting this, but probably not.
Do you think you're man enough to handle it?
Yes.
Because you're almost 13. Your voice changed. This could change your voice forever.
Good.
Okay, well, let's pick up the hot sauce. Again, we've got almost a teaspoon here, and the deal is Gavin has to eat this. This is all part of his own little challenge. Eat it, keep it down for 2 minutes before he can eat or drink anything. So go when you're ready.
No.
He's getting a little nervous, but that's okay.
I feel like I'm gonna spill it just because I'm so scared.
All right, let's go for it. All right, he's downed it.
Empty spoon.
Empty spoon. He's not crying yet, but he's I think he's feeling the heat. So tell us, so far, what are you experiencing?
It's honestly not that bad.
Not as bad as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Is it 10 times what you think the Frank's Red Hot was?
No.
No. Where would you put it at? Two times?
Yeah, 2, maybe 3 times.
All right. Well, maybe the Scoville units that we got off the internet is a little off. You think next up we can do Da Bomb?
Probably not.
It's set at I think $1 million or $1.5 million.
1.5 million.
Yeah, 1.5 million. All right. So we're going to wait just a minute and kind of make sure this doesn't have a late spice effect. Are you sweating this time? I see a little perspiration up there on the scalp there. So, what do you think?
I don't think I'm sweating.
All right.
It's getting a little bit hotter.
A little hotter, yeah. I imagine so. You know, I got home from work today and Gavin had baked something. Why don't you tell us about what you baked?
Yeah, so I made a blackberry pie from scratch.
A blackberry pie from scratch.
Crust and everything.
Did you grow the blackberries?
No, sadly I didn't.
Okay, but you made the pie crust from scratch, correct?
Yes.
And it was pretty simple.
It was.
All right. And does it have shortening or lard in it?
It does not. It's an all butter crust.
All butter crust. All right, let's take a quick while Gavin is getting that in. Let's take a quick peek at the pie here. So we're letting it cool off right now, kind of like Gavin's mouth. And then maybe we can get a bite of this. It almost looks like biscuits on top, but it's not. It's the pie crust cut into little circles. What was your inspiration for that?
It was sort of what the recipe looked like. The recipe had more of a, I don't know how to put it. It had more of a circles around the edge and around the edge. I kind of mixed it in more, make it look a little more like a cobbler almost.
Oh yes, good call. And you made a pie a few days ago too.
Yes,
it's the summer of pies.
Hopefully.
What did you make then?
Made a blueberry pie with a lattice top.
Okay. Or you think maybe you're gonna do any videos of pies?
Maybe not.
Sticking with the healthy things first?
Yes, I'm gonna stick with the healthy first.
Okay, well it's been I think a couple minutes now from the Tabasco sauce. 2,500 to 5,000 Scoville units. Tell us what you feel. Is it still hot?
A little bit hot.
Let's see that. Let's see that tongue. Is the tongue sweating? It looks like it. It looks like the tongue's sweating a little bit.
Does the tongue even sweat?
No.
Didn't think so.
All right. Any last words before we sign off on this little challenge?
I'd say doing this is worth it. Burns around the lips a little more than the tongue and throat, which I did not expect. I hate it when it gets in my throat and it burns, This did not, which is really nice.
Could you see adding this one day to just some regular foods?
Maybe.
Yeah. Starting to like the spicy stuff a little more now.
Yes.
I remember not too many years ago, if it was the least bit spicy, you would scream.
Yes.
No screaming today.
No.
All right. Tell everybody goodbye.
Bye.